Have you ever felt like your online activity is being watched? Like your browsing history, your searches, your clicks? Are they all being recorded and sold to the highest bidder? If you're an Avast user, unfortunately, that was exactly the case. Avast, a company trusted by millions to protect their online security, was caught red-handed collecting and selling sensitive browsing data to third-party advertisers. This data included information about your religious beliefs, health concerns, and even your political affiliations. A blatant violation of your privacy. But the story doesn't end there. The Federal Trade Commission stepped in, determined to hold Avast accountable for its deceitful practices. After a thorough investigation on June 26, 2024, Avast entered into a settlement with the FTC to resolve these allegations. The FTC is imposing strict measures to protect consumer data and ensure this never happens again. Avast is now prohibited from selling or licensing any web browsing data for advertising purposes. All JumpShot data, the subsidiary responsible for collecting this sensitive information, is being deleted, and Avast is facing a hefty $16.5 million penalty for its misconduct. But what does this mean for you, the consumer? Well, the FTC is using this penalty to potentially compensate affected users. While the details are still being worked out, it's a step in the right direction toward justice and accountability. The case is a victory for consumer privacy. It sends a clear message to companies that exploit our personal information. Your actions will have consequences. Avast's betrayal of trust has served as a wake-up call. It's a reminder that even companies we rely on for security can be tempted by the allure of profit at the expense of our privacy. So what can you do? Stay informed, be vigilant, and always question how your data is being used. Remember, your online privacy is not something to be taken lightly. It's a fundamental right that deserves to be protected. And as this case demonstrates, when we stand together and demand accountability, change is possible. Going forward, you'll need to address the question about staying with Avast or not. Here are some suggestions. Considerations for staying with Avast. Improved data practices. Avast has committed to significant changes in its data collection and sharing practices due to the FTC settlement. They are now prohibited from selling browsing data and have pledged greater transparency. Strong security features. Avast still offers robust antivirus and security features, which are valued by many users. Familiarity. If you're comfortable with Avast's interface and features, switching might require some adjustment. Considerations for switching. Trust issues. The data scandal has undoubtedly damaged Avast's reputation and eroded trust among some users. If you feel uncomfortable continuing to use their products, switching is a valid option. Alternative security solutions. Several reputable antivirus and security providers offer comparable features to Avast. Viable alternatives. Bitdefender remains a top choice due to its strong security features and commitment to privacy. Malwarebytes. Still a good option for focusing on malware protection, especially with its free version. Norton 360. While Norton now owns Avast, their track record on privacy is generally considered better. However, it's important to be aware of the acquisition and monitor any changes in their data practices. It's crucial to weigh your personal priorities and research different options before making a decision. Look for providers with transparent privacy policies, strong security features, and a good reputation for protecting user data. As a longtime Avast user, 2003 to present, and for many years an independent Avast spokesperson, I'm still weighing my options. In other words, I haven't yet totally decided what I will be doing. I will let you know once I do make a decision, if that decision involves changing from Avast to something else. Stay safe, stay secure, and if you're an Avast user, let me know what you've decided to do and why. Thanks. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.